Some products are harder to sell than others, and that's a problem because the longer products remain unsold, their value may decrease. We are paying warehouse space to keep them in storage, and we are less likely to use them up depending on fashions or seasons. To help you in cases like this, in this video we want to show you 4 simple tips that you can take into account to improve the sales of those products that sell poorly. For this we will use the WP Sheet Editor plugin. This WP plugin helps you manage your WooCommerce store in simple steps, as it allows you to filter and apply changes to thousands of products at once with just a few clicks. You'll find the link to download this plugin in the description of this video, as well as the link to consult our written guide. The search tool allows you to filter all your products using various search parameters. In this case, we'll show you how to search for all products that have been sold less than 10 times. To do this, we need to open the search tool. Now we have to enable the advanced filters. Enter the field total sales here. We'll use the less than or equal operator. And we'll enter the number 10 here. Then run the search. After filtering the products to be edited, we'll use the bulk edit tool to reduce their prices by 30%. First, we'll open the bulk edit tool. Then we have to select the rows we want to edit. In this case, I'll edit the rows from my current search. The field to edit will be regular price. We'll use the decrease by a percentage edit type. Now we'll write the percentage that will be reduced. And execute. We'll now show you how to add a message at the end of the product titles. To do this, open the bulk edit tool. Select the rows you want to update. In this case, it will be all the rows of my current search. The field to edit will be title. Select append. And we'll add the message here, placing a space before it. Finally, we execute. Now let's learn how to add a message at the end of our product's short descriptions. First, open the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to update. Select the short description field. Choose append. Enter the message here. And execute. As you can see here, the message has been added. Now let's feature low-selling products on the catalog. First, we'll open the bulk edit tool. Then we have to select the rows that we want to update. In this case, will be all the rows from our current search. The field to edit will be as featured. Select set value. Now we'll check this checkbox. And execute. After these simple steps, your products will be featured. As you can see, you don't need to spend many hours editing our products individually, thanks to the bulk edit tool provided by the WooCommerce product spreadsheet plugin. Now you can apply this and many other changes to thousands of WooCommerce products in just minutes. Remember that you'll find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to review our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.